I have been to 22 rehabs, everywhere from outpatients to IOPs to boarding schools, wilderness. Nothing has had results like this.
Good 20 years of heroin use. I could not stop it. I didn't think it was going to work for me.
When I came here, I thought it was a scam.
I was a complete skeptic in the beginning.
I was a little skeptical. I was like, well, you know what, I'm gonna hope for the
It
best.
sounded too good to be true.
My opiate use, I've been trying to stop for the past 25 years. Conventional methods, Suboxone, Methadone. When I got here, it was just a day and night difference. It's a miracle.
All natural. None of these pharmaceuticals being pushed into you.
Multivitamin therapy, tons and tons of vegetables, protein shakes, yoga, energy healing.
This place, it's given me my life back.
I've found confidence, I've found happiness.
I feel more incredible than I have ever felt in my life.
I saw the light in his eye again. That I haven't seen since we were in high school.
There's a cure out there. You can be cured.
You get your confidence back, you get everything back.
This is giving people their life back.
There's another way of living.
My skin's cleared up, I lost 20 pounds, I'm so much happier, I smile, I laugh.
Now I could start to love myself.
And this is the real deal.
Johnny the Healer can cure any addiction.
Johnny the Healer, man, he is an expert. He knows his stuff inside and out.
Johnny did in 10 days what 10 rehabs couldn't do combined. I feel completely free. There's nothing that's ever felt like this in my life. There's no sweating, there's no withdrawals, there's no pain. No withdrawal. I have no withdrawals.
My withdrawals are at 0.
I mean, usually my back's killing me or my legs are twitching for 3 weeks to a month. None of that.
My brain was clear, I was functioning normal. There are no cravings. Johnny has it down to a science.
Johnny's going to heal the world, one life at a time.
I'm so grateful.
I feel cured.
I came from America, land of the free, home of the brave. We are freaking cowards.
The United States provided me with about 10 failures.
They put a band-aid on a wound, it doesn't get better. In fact, it promotes the wound to get worse, and obviously it gets caught up in the cycle of medicine, money.
The government will not accept to try and look at these real, true healings for people that are dealing with a lot of health issues.
Our government, our FDA, all that, is not trying to heal us, they're trying to keep us sick. And I've been sick for a long time because of them. If you get cured, if you get healed, they don't make any money.
It sickens me. It honestly sickens me.
I think about it today and it's absolutely insane. You know, to get off an addicting drug and put you on another addicting drug.
Instead, here, you look at the serenity of life. The holistic sanctuary is what was put here on earth from God himself.
Love the streets, love drugs, love shooting cocaine and heroin and everything that comes along with it, to completely not even having a fleeting thought after 2 weeks.
You see people come here and you're like, you can't imagine them getting better. And within a few days, their personality is coming back. They're laughing, they're happy again, and it's crazy within a few days.
Seems like a miracle is all I can say. You're talking to like a bad heroin and crack addict, and I have a family to go home to.
I got my son back.
When I woke up, I don't know, I felt alive.
I feel like it's so amazing, I can't contain myself.
It's purified my life. It saved me. It saved my soul.
I don't know one doctor in the United States who can get these kind of results. They've been telling me what to do. Nothing's ever worked.
I am really in awe of the amount of powerful therapies that this place offers.
They give you exactly what you need to get better. They have the nicest staff.
They want you to go home and hear that you're doing great months and years later.
My whole life, I've been looking for answers.
I plead to parents to take a look at the Holistic Sanctuary.
It's like a new life.
This plan is proven, it's tried, and it works.
Holistic Sanctuary has enriched our family. They're angels on earth.
What Johnny does here, I mean, completely changes lives.